Man, so you know me and my dog CJ, man. Whenever we leak up, we be turned. So, nah, he was like, man, I got to get your car beside mine, bro. I swear you killing them, man. He was like, man, I know my car. You know what I'm saying? It stands out, but he was like, dang, man, you just murdered the game with that one. He was like, I gotta take a picture with your car in mine, and that's what this one came from. You know?
So when I looked at your car, my brother was there, and remember we went FaceTime for a minute. At the event, my brother Rell To Real shows you the phone, and I said, man, that car is white. That's a tough looking white car. So that car is not white.
No, it's sky blue. It's like a baby blue.
Okay. So tell us about that. What was the concept behind that blue almost? Because you see it looks white from
Yeah,
photo.
it's some pearls that's in it. It got like
Pearls.
seven
Okay.
different pearls in it, but that gold pearl is one of the ones that stand out the most, and that's why I went with the gold
Mm,
wheel. And so that gold pearl hits
mm,
off that baby blue, and it kind of turns it into like a white on camera. But it's actually gold, is what you're seeing right now, but it looks white.
man, when I saw that, bro, I was just like, right. I just saw your car in
Yellow.
Dallas.
Hmm.
You know, I what was it? Is it a factory kind of red? Or what kind of red
No, that
was
was
that?
orange. That was
Orange.
go mango
Okay.
orange.
The Go Mango. Okay, I just saw it with the Go Mango orange in Dallas. I thought that thing was official then.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was official in Memphis with the signature, with your signature on it.
Yeah.
I want to say that that's my favorite, but tell us where I'm gonna show it to y'all. The teal and black. What
Hmm.
was what was the meaning behind it, or where did that concept come from?
Well, really, we was just my car's supposed to be something else, totally different. Um, I had like two different drawings of it, you know, what it's supposed to look like. And
Hmm.
last minute, that was like a last minute decision for him to do it that way. And you know, at first I had to get used to it and stuff like that. You know, I wasn't just really into a whole lot of colors and stuff like that.
Yeah,
But I was like, man, I'll try something. Oh, you talking about Tatiana?
yeah, Tatiana, man,
Oh,
Tatiana.
oh, I thought you were talking about the other one. Oh, Tatiana. Oh, that one was crazy for me. That was one.
Yeah,
I think that's when the guy bought it from me. This other guy. I had
gotcha.
took my name off the hood and then he just threw something up there on top of it.
Yeah,
But no, that color. I was just trying to think outside the box on that one. That color was the most unique color I seen up in the book. I was like, man, I got to go with that. And then I
yeah.
was like, man, everybody doing like the camo thing. Let me just throw some little camo on there and see how it come out. And man, that thing just came out and it turned heads everywhere. That was like one of my favorites. That's still one of
Yeah.
my top favorites.
Now this is the one from Memphis right here.
Yeah, yeah, uh-huh.
Okay, I got a question for you, not about the car.
Hmm.
So y'all see how he got the shoes on, right? And what made me mad is he matching the stripe on the pants. That's something that I do. That's something that I thought I had that on lock. So he got the stripe matching and the t-shirt drip.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Coordinate. The coordination. It's crazy.
I'm done, bro. I don't care what you say. Talking about he
That was actually one of my cousins on my shirt. That had died. He had got killed.
tribute
Um,
shirt.
yeah, that was his funeral weekend right there.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Man, big salute to your cousin, man. I tell you what, that you set it off right there in the drip and the car itself. And some of y'all, if y'all don't not familiar with Rell To Real, man, make sure y'all go to his YouTube channel, Rell To Real, RellToReal, Rell To Real, man. If you type it in, it's gonna come up, man. He a big YouTuber, man. I think y'all need to tap into him and make sure you
definitely.
follow him on Instagram as well, man. He got some dope content. He's as Don't Master say, from city to city, state to
Hey,
state.
I'm city to city, state to state for real. I got a lot going on this month, man. A whole lot.
Talk about it, man.
Talk about it. Yeah, where you
Um,
at?
so hold on, something just popped up on the screen.
Yeah,
Um,
that's yeah.
yeah, so I got some stuff. I'm gonna be in Virginia next month. I'm I'll probably be in Memphis around the 3rd or the 4th. I think I got a show. A couple guys been booking me for shows. So, you know, the show thing is really what I'm trying to take off to. You know, I love YouTube. I love YouTube to death. But when you got a person like me that put in so much money behind YouTube, you trying to get it back some type of way out of the YouTube. So, you know, and that's why I do these. That's why I go to these shows and get booked for these shows. So, you know, anybody out there that want me at their show and want my card, they can just hit me in the DM and book me. But I got that going on. I got Whip Fest coming up. I think CJ and them gonna be back down here for Whip Fest. Man, it's just so much. It's so many shows that I'm going to. I can't even name them all because there's so many. It's just so many.
City to city, state to state, y'all. I got his Instagram on the screen right now.
I got an exclusive for you. Exclusive. Only on you the first person on the show.
Car Talk TV. Car Talk TV. Y'all ready? Exclusive. Rell To Real. Car Talk TV. Exclusive. Drop it now.
Let's hear it.
Well, SRT Bree had reached out to me to do a show for her. And she got something that's coming up that's a secret, but I'm gonna be in it.
Ooh,
I'm gonna be in it. So it's gonna be something real big.
Okay,
real big, I mean real big.
Okay, well look, we excited about that, man. We love to see the culture moving forward, man. And I know if you're gonna be a part of it, man, it's gonna be something
and
positive.
I got another old school coming to my channel too.
Another old school while I'm working on my first old school, and he got another old. He dripping better. He got more than one old school. I ain't got no old school. Okay, I still like you though.
Hey, I just love paid off cars.
Hey man, come on.
I love
paid
off cars.
Come, man. Let me tell you, I got this thing. I'm looking.
It's crazy nowadays, man.
Yeah, it is, man. But we love what you're doing, man. And we got a part of the show, man, to where my co-host, Car Show Rell, man. He's a humble guy, man. He's a Bentley guy, big time legend in Baltimore, man. Was sitting on Forgiato 10, 11 years ago, man, on the car scene, man. So he don't never talk about that stuff. That's why I gotta talk about it. But he has these questions that he loves to just drop. So we don't need you over there thinking too long. And you think long, you think wrong. So I need you to give your answer. It's a rapid fire, random 5 questions. So Rell To Real, are you ready for the random 5?
Yeah.
All right, let's find out.
All right, let's get it. First question, what's your dream car?
720S McLaren.
Favorite restaurant?
Cheesecake Factory.
Like cheesecake. All right, question number 3. Your favorite destination place to visit?
California, LA.
LA.
What keeps Rell To Real going every day?
Family. My wife.
Got a question for you about your wife as well. Number 5. How does Rell To Real wants his legacy to be remembered?
As a person that just really came from the bottom and showed people that the struggle is real and that I made it out of that struggle. So that's simple as I can get.
Word.
Love it.
Yeah.
Hey, so on the matters of your wife, right? So we all married guys. We all guys into cars. I see wifey is riding around on from last time I checked, she was on 24s. Like, was your wife always like in the cars, or did you bring her in the car scene? Like, how did that all come up about?
Me.
Waste no time, me.
Yeah. Now, ever since I knew her, I've been riding big wheels on old schools and stuff. So, she didn't get to see. I met her after I got her after I flipped my first Cutlass. It was on 24. I flipped it. Someone hit the back of the rear end and knocked my rear end off, and I flipped 3 times. That's how I broke my spine.
Wow.
Yeah, and fractured my skull and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Man,
but
wow.
Ever since then, I always had cars, and I built that car I bought it when I was 11. I built it when I was 14.
You bought it when you was what? 11?
Yeah, I was 11 years old. I paid $500 for it.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, I bought it with no transmission, no motor, no nothing in it. No radiators, no hoses, no lines, no nothing. I was just young, and I knew how to hustle at an early age, man. Like I say, I just grew up around hustlers, so and nobody around me wanted us to be broke as little kids. So um, it was just one of them things, you know. I don't speak too much on that type of stuff, because we ain't headed in that direction. We headed past there, but I was making money at an early age.
Nah, I feel you, bro. I'm from the same community, man, and
Yeah.
it's always good to lightly touch and address it so that way people that are currently in it can see light at the end of the tunnel. Because there were times where I didn't see light at the end of the tunnel, and maybe even yourself always saw yourself in that community and not outside of that community, bro.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm just here to salute you, man, and give you your flowers right now, bro, because you are. I've said this before. I told this to Godspeed, man. I said, bro, and I'm talking to you right now,
Yeah.
man. You a real life superhero, bro. You own some Black Panther type stuff. Those are fictional characters, right? You
Yeah.
are a real life superhero because you came from the bottom and you made it out of things that people don't make it out of.
Exactly.
So I
Exactly.
want to salute you, man, and honor you as a champion and as the superhero that you are, man. There's a lot of people that look up to you that's younger than you, bro. I'm older than you, and I look up to you in a lot of different ways, man, because some of the things you went through, I don't think I could have made it through those things, bro. And I want to honor you and give you the flowers and the respect that you deserve.